our secrets are worth a lot. What are the chances that they pay these laid off employees for government secrets? That already happens. Yeah, that already happens. Um, I'm sure that already happens. But right now, we had in the past. I think the difference has been that we have a very clear enemy that not many people are. It's not worth trading those secrets to these enemies like China and Russia. Like, what do you gain from doing it? But EU and Canada, I mean, that might be a little sweeter pot. I'm not saying that you should do that, but it's that's already happening. So they try to weed people out from having clearances, and that's one of the questions that they ask you.